Clearly, I've been watching some Z reviews. Stay tuned for an unboxing of a few products recently covered on his channel. Well, hello YouTube. Chris the Frugal Audiophile here with you again today. Yes, I have some products that were recently covered on Z Reviews channel right here for you. And I know that I could, lie to you and act like I came with these ideas on my own, or that I hadn't been watching his channel, but I have, and I like to be transparent, so I thought that I would just go ahead and get that out there. And to begin here, we have the lightning adapter that goes to the headphones that are down here. So this is lightning to headphone cord. There you have it. It's kind of thin and flimsy. Not loving the build quality. Microphone. It's nice that this microphone and volume and track transport control is used. I really appreciate that. They got a little remote in line there. But since I have an iPhone, I thought that I would get this so I can plug directly into it. So that is the Koss lightning cable. All right. Next biggest. These are the Moondrop Quarks. And when I think of Quark, I think of a character on Deep Space Nine. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. Well, these are inexpensive IEMs. They're not the guy that you find on Deep Space Nine. He's not really one of my favorite characters, but he does have some nice plot device. Or, he's a nice plot device. All right, so here they are. I got these with the remote already. This feels like a better cable. Again, but it's not lightning. This is just standard 3.5 millimeter, but this feels like a better cable. Now, I have the Moondrop Starfields, and they're okay. I don't love them, but I like them. I feel like I could do better. Let's see. And these are just going to come out of the cardboard like this. And like so. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull those through, or probably pull the cable through, right? Ah, come on. And yeah, I got these with the remote. Use them on my phone. Of course, I will have to use them with... Well, what is going on here? I don't like how they did this. You kind of have to... kind of pull it through here. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. It's later in the evening. I just wanted to get this done because I liked to release a video on Thursday. It's getting to be late. So yeah, these feel like decent headphones. They are about $15. I'm imagining that there's some tips down in there and a bag. Nice. But these are very small. I do like small headphones. Hopefully they will sound decent. If they sound decent for $15, that's a winner in my book. They don't have to sound amazing. So here you go. You have a nice little pouch here. Feels like inexpensive velour, we will call it. Some ear tips. Looks like 3 different sizes. Usually they have one of the pairs come pre-installed, but not in this box. So there's those. Cool. And then your pouch. And that's well, probably some documentation, startup manual. All right. Now we have the new Koss IEMs. So, see them there? Let's see. Oh, I like down there tab. I gotta. Where did my knife go? Found it right there in front of me. All right. So I got a piece of tape here. Man, tape is harder to cut than it should be, if you ask me. At least it keeps it secure. Okay. Any more tape? Now look at this. This is a huge box for an IEM, I think. We'll see what's in here. Good grief. Koss is usually not the fanciest. So these are $70 IEMs, which is a little high for a Koss IEM, if you ask me. But if they are good, that's all okay. Here we go. Don't need a knife. Got it. Ooh, I like that pouch already. Okay. So here we go. Some more IEMs. You got like a, yeah, interesting kind of pouch there that really pinches down tight, and it's kind of like, I don't know what you call this. You can hear it there, kind of rubbery but slicky, as I call it. Kind of outer case. All right. See what's in this package here. You're getting a pretty raw unboxing tonight, and this would be the cord and some tips. Oh, very good, very good. Oh no, this is the wow, those things are tiny too. Wow, those are pretty small. Not as small as the Quarks, but certainly small for an IEM. Here's the attachable cable. So I will get these out, I guess. Unboxing taking longer than I thought it would, but that's okay. Again, not the best feeling wire, but decent. It's kind of a flatter wire. Here's the IEMs with a set of tips already installed. Then you have the other wire. I'm going to make a mess here, but oh well. This is the standard headphone plug. I thought I'd go ahead and get both. I thought this would be kind of handy to have around. You can easily swap it out and use it for different devices. So yeah, that's that. And then this must be the tips here. Yep. Thinking this is going to be more ear tips. I'm usually a small. I have pretty small ear canals. And I had ear problems. Yeah, I have ear problems too when I was a kid. Not so much anymore, but I did. So there's your other three sizes. And so I my ears are real sensitive. They're sensitive. They get hot easily, and they hurt with larger IEM tips. So I like small and soft IEM tips. Now I did also order the new KPH40, but it's running late. So that'll probably be another unboxing. Maybe I'll release that on Saturday. So yeah, nothing else there. So that is the Koss KEB IEMs for you there. And we'll be doing a review of both of these IEMs most likely. I may do them together because they are similar in size, although not similar in price, that is for sure. So stay tuned for that. And I thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. Remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.